Hi guys, welcome back to TipRanks. My name is Annika and here at TipRanks we love to hear what different stocks you're looking at and your opinions on the market sentiment. Today we're looking at two strong buy stocks that billionaire Dan Loeb has bought for his fund. Now before we jump into this video guys, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Also, we will reply to all your comments directly on TipRanks TV, so check that out. I've linked it in the video and in the description box. That's where you can watch all our financial content in an ad-free space. Now, without further ado, let's jump into this video. Now, for the retail investor, the only certainty in our current market is uncertainty. Volatility is up and the major indexes are showing deepening losses in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Now, in times like this, it's good to find a guide, someone whose trading strategy has been a testament to their success. Well, Daniel Loeb is an example of that. He's the founder and CEO of the hedge fund Third Point. Daniel Loeb's investing philosophy involves buying into troubled companies at bargain prices. He does this by re-strategizing with the management and focusing on them returning more profits. This strategy has made his fund into a multi-billion-dollar giant, whereby his firm manages $17 billion worth of assets under management. For our purposes, $14.3 billion worth of those assets are in 13F securities, basically stocks. In fact, Daniel Loeb wrote that we are focused currently on catalyst-driven opportunities, including number one, M&A that is revealing hidden value in previously overlooked stocks. Number two, value-orientated, old tech stocks that deserve a second look. And three, opportunities in merger arbitrage. The first stock that Third Point acquired is Crown Holdings, and its ticker is CCK. Crown Holdings is one whose products you've probably used, even though you don't necessarily know it. Crown is a leader in the metal packaging sector. It offers solutions in metal cans for the food and beverage industry and the aerosol container niche, as well as specialty packaging and metal closures. Think a soda can or a tuna can or the twist cap on a glass bottle. All of this and more is in the province of Crown Holdings. The current price for Crown Holdings is $129.31. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy based on 12 ratings, 11 a buy and 1 a hold. The analyst price target is $140.27. And this is an 8.48% upside based on 12 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets. Not to mention all of that, but it's big business too. Crown saw $9.4 billion in total revenues in 2020, followed by $11.4 billion in 2021. The company's Q4 2021 top line came in at over $3 billion, and this was up 22% year over year. The adjusted EPS was $1.66, and this was more than 10% higher year over year. And the company reported $530 million in cash assets at the end of 2021, even after a $1.5 billion settlement charge with its UK pension fund in the final quarter of the year. And this performance gave Crown's management confidence to raise the dividend, the first increase seen in implementing the payments last year. The current common share dividend is set at 22 cents per share, annualizing to 88 cents and giving a modest yield of 0.64%. The yield here is actually less important than the macro scale of the company's commitment to return profits to shareholders. Crown returned $1 billion to shareholders in 2021. A solid business niche like this will attract investors large and small, and Dan Loeb's firm bought 1 million shares in Crown Holdings in Q4, taking a big stake worth $121.4 million. Analyst Ghansham Panjabi from Robert W. Baird gave it a buy rating with a $165 price target, which is a 27.60% upside. And he wrote that a combination of strong internal execution, earnings momentum from incremental capex, and disproportionate allocation of cash flow and balance sheet capacity towards buybacks sums our view that execution towards 2022 guidance should be the catalyst to drive valuation multiple expansion in permanence for Crown Holdings shares. As such, we remain bullish on the investment outlook. The second stock that Dan Loeb's firm bought is Align Tech, and its ticker is ALGN. Align Tech is a tech-related company with a unique niche. Align Tech develops and manufactures a line of 3D digital scanners. It also has its famous branded Invisalign product, which is a clear aligner for orthodontic use. The company's Invisalign system was first developed in the 1990s and was approved for use in 1998 and began sales in 1999. Since then, Align Tech has grown to become a multi-billion-dollar company holding over 1,200 patents and boasting 10.9 million patents treated over the years. Since bottoming out in Q2 of 2022, Align's top-line revenues have shown growth in every quarter, albeit it's been slower in the most recent reports. The Q4 2021 financials showed $1.03 billion at the top line, a company record and up 23% year over year. For the full year of 2021, revenues came in at $4 billion, also a record and an even more impressive year over year gain of 59%. Non-GAAP quarterly EPS was $2.83, and this was up 8.4% from the year ago quarter. Align was another new position staked out by Loeb's Third Point, and this was a big one. The firm bought 300,000 shares, which is a substantial purchase that is currently worth over $120 million. The current price for Align Tech is $432.47. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy based on 8 buy ratings and 1 a sell. The analyst price target is $629.67, which is a 45.60% upside based on 9 Wall Street analysts offering 12-month price targets. And amongst the bullish analysts, we have Jason Bednar from Piper Sandler. He deems it to be a buy with a $740 price target, which is a whopping 71.11% upside. And he wrote that we remind investors that not only is this market significantly underpenetrated and is being resourced and supported by Align in a better fashion than any other competitor, but this management team has an established track record of executing well against its stated annual growth objectives. So guys, those are the 2 stocks that billionaire Dan Loeb has bought for his firm Third Point. Let us know what you think of these 2 stocks and move over to TipRanks TV to let us know all your comments there. Over there, we will respond to you directly, and you can watch all our financial content in an ad-free space. And if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!